right, here we go. So today we are going to be working on the ending sounds, okay? So what we're going to do is Miss Mendoza is going to spell the word, okay? You're going to think about what the ending sound is that goes here. And then I want you to grab a pencil and a paper and I want you to write the word, okay? I'm going to be using a whiteboard with my marker, but I want you to follow along using a pencil and a paper. Okay, so first I want you to watch how I do it. Let's see here. My first word is wet. 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 What's the final sound? What's the final sound? The ending sound you hear. Wet. Wet. Okay. If you said T, wet, tomato, wet. You're correct. Wet. So now get your pencil and a paper and I want you to write the word wet. Wet. Okay, give you a little bit of time. Now let's erase, or you don't have to erase if you have it on a piece of paper, but that's okay. Next word. Sun. Sun. What's at the end? What's the ending sound? Sun. Sun. If you said N, that's correct. So get your pencil and let's write the word sun. Sun, sun, sun. Good job. Okay, this is something called jam. 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 Okay, so let's write our word. Jam. Next word. Tub. Tub. What sound is at the end? Tub. B. Tub. Tub. B. If you said B, you're correct. Tub. So let's write it. B. Tub. Tub. Here we have the number 10. 10. 10. What's the ending sound that we hear in 10? 10. 10. Let's write it. Ten. This is a pod. Pod. What sound do you hear at the end of the word pod? Duh. Pod. Duh. Pod. 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 Hut. Hut. What sound is at the end of the word hut? Hut. 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 Lid. Lid. What sound is at the end of the word lid? Lid. Lid. Zip. Zip. What sound is at the end of the word zip? Zip. 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 Sob. Sob. The little girl is crying, and another word for crying is sob. Sobbing. Sob. Sob. What sound is that? Sob. It's a B. Sob. 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 Okay, let's see if you guys can do this one. Leg. Leg. What sound do you hear at the end of the word leg? Is it lick? No. Is it limb? No. Leg. Yes. G. Leg. Okay, here we have the number 6. 6. X. 6. X. 6. Ooh, okay, what sound do you hear at the end of the word jet? Jet. 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 Okay, next, let's do the word